Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here. I'm so excited today to talk about deep learning. So welcome back AI enthusiasts. Are you ready to deep dive into deep learning? Let's unravel this neural mystery in just a few minutes. So welcome back, Wally, my trusty whiteboard. So here we are over here, sketch one. Deep learning is like giving AI a supersized brain upgrade. Yes, it is. It's the cool kid in the machine learning family, solving problems that make regular algorithms cry. Yes. So let's look at what a neural network might look like. Here we are down here, you see. So we have this thing called an input layer, which is connected to hidden layers. You have a number of those. And then we have our output layers. And these circles are representing neurons. So remember, bear in mind, this is a representation of the human brain. So a neural network is like a mega sandwich. Each layer is like a slice of AI goodness stacked high. The more layers, the deeper the learning. It's the turducken of the AI world. Wonderful. Let's talk about machine learning versus deep learning. So, regular machine learning is like the talented kid, but deep learning, it's like the prodigy that makes everyone else look average. And so, deep learning is very much a more complex subset of machine learning. Let's use a little analogy here. Machine learning, is this a cat? Deep learning, this is a 3-year-old tabby cat named Whiskers. Judging for you, he's not ready to be fed. So you get the idea there. Wonderful. Down the bottom here, you can start to see. Where are we? We're down here. So, uh, analogy alert. Deep learning is like teaching a car to drive by giving it a massive set of eyes. Believe it or not, that's my bad drawing of car with eyes. And a supercomputer brain. It doesn't just follow rules, it learns to see and work out how to drive just like a human. But without the road rage, of course. Here we are, sketch 5. So AWS Deep Racer, if you've heard of that, it's Amazon's way of turning deep learning into a race car rally. It's actually reinforcement learning. It's like Formula One, but for AI nerds. And then finally, we have our wonderful case study over here. Disney uses deep learning to tag content with metadata. Things like TV shows, football player changing teams, new weapons for superheroes, they all need fresh metadata. And that metadata then allows animators to search for characters or scenes, everything from Mickey Mouse to Darth Vader. Excellent. So let's summarize some exam power ups for you. Deep learning, many layered neural network. It excels at complex tasks such as vision and language, require lots of data and computing power, and it knows AWS services like Deep Racer for hands-on for deep learning. And boom, you're now fluent in deep learning lingo. That's a 900 score for the exam, hopefully. So if this video has activated your neural pathways, don't forget to let the deep learning algorithms of YouTube know by hitting like and subscribe. I'll see you in our next AI Brain teaser. This is Digital Colmer signing off.